On 8th of October, late evening, two friends while taking pictures at Lankvoku waterfall. One of them was reported to be missing after he slipped and fell off from the cascade at Lankvoku picnic spot, falling under the jurisdiction of Manja police station. No sign of the missing person had been traced so far. Lankvoku waterfall is famous for its unique landscape and its magnificent scenic beauty of the waterfall. This had attracted unceasing number of tourists from far and near throughout the year in all weather. Lankvoku was 3 steps of waterfall. To have an eye experience of the waterfall, one has to climb up the hill through rocks. Likewise, two friends climb up to snap the moment for memories. It was then when one of the friends slipped and fell off the Lankvoku cascade. According to Manja police, the missing person was identified as Suresh Chakma, resident of the Mapur. A team of State Disaster Response Fund (SDRF) was called on 9th of October to find, trace and rescue missing person. The search was done rigorously, yet no any sign of Suresh could be found. SDRF says they will continue the search for Suresh the following day. It was reported that on 9th of October, the search operation was carried out by State Disaster Response Fund, and on 10th of October, the search operation was entrusted to National Disaster Response Fund. Bijoy Rongpis report from Delhi for Karbi Anglong.